Hi class! Today we're going to learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers with the same and different signs. Now you might be wondering, what's an integer? Well, integers are basically counting numbers like 1, 2, -3, and -4. They're also considered whole numbers, but they also do not have decimals or fractions. Now we're going to be working with addition with the same signs. Here's little Jimmy. He has 5 positives. Say little Timmy gave him 3 more positives. Jimmy now has 8 positives. Little Timmy is so sweet. So since this happens because since Jimmy has 5 positives and Timmy gave him 3, you put those 3 underneath those 5 and you count them all. And once you count them all, you would get 8. Now for different signs. Say Bob has 5 positives. Lincoln gave him 3 more positives. Now you circle 3 of the positives and 3 of the negatives, and you take them away. Now you'd be left with 2. This is something because of zero pairs. Zero pairs are when a negative and a positive have the same value that equals 0. Like 2 and -2 will always equal 0. Here, let's split 4 into 2 and 2. And since -2 and 2 have the same value, you'd take those away and you'd be left with 2. And then you split 5 into 4 and 1. And you get -4. Since -4 and 4 have the same value, cross them out and you'd be left with 1. Now time for subtraction. You'd have 12 minus 4. You always keep the first number in subtraction, change the second number to a plus sign, and change the last number to its opposite. For different signs, it's the exact same rule. Always keep the first number, change the negative sign to a positive sign, and change the last number to its opposite. Now time for multiplication and division. Multiplication and division have the same signs. It has the same rules. Same signs always equal positive, and different signs always equal negative. Say Timmy has 8 cookies and 6 boxes. How many cookies does he have? Well, you'd have to multiply this. He has 48 cookies. Multiplication is basically multiplying the first number by itself, adding the first number by itself, by how many times the second number says. Like 7 times 4 is 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Now time for division. Division is multiplication backwards. So 72 divided by 9 equals 8. But opposite of that would be 8 times 9 equals 72. Here's another example. 8 divided by 2 is the same as 4 times 2.